It was 2 days after Christmas, and my house looked like Santa's workshop had exploded. Wrapping paper was still stuck under the couch, there were half-eaten cookies on the kitchen counter, and somehow a rogue ornament had made its way into the bathroom sink. I decided to tackle the chaos, starting with the living room. As I moved the tree slightly to vacuum, a pile of unclaimed gifts fell out from behind it. "What on earth?" I muttered, grabbing a box labeled "To Uncle Dan." Uncle Dan lives in Texas. How did his gift even end up here? Then I spotted a small box with no name tag. Curious, I opened it and found a single sock. Just one. Who gifts one sock? Things got funnier when I started cleaning the kids' room. I found my son's lost Christmas sweater stuffed into his pillowcase. He later confessed he hated the itchy fabric and hid it for its own good. By the time I finished, I was laughing so hard my stomach hurt. Christmas was chaos, but at least it came with some solid comedy.